Mabuhay! Tuyo kami sa Barangay Busog. It used to be Barangay Patay Goods. But now it's Barangay Busog. Because people are not hungry anymore. Tuyo kaliwa are my kapitbahay. He's selling to say he's not happy. Sino nangingi ng ulam ngayon? Oh, this may works. The Yaron, busog na. This is where it all began.
With the help and cooperation of our partners in the government, community, corporations, and the private sector, Bayan Anihan can reinforce self-sufficiency as a virtue among the poor. 57,500 square meters of land have been assigned to poor families. 24 metric tons of vegetables have been harvested. And 17,250 people now grow their own food and have said goodbye to hunger. By 2024, we can all say goodbye to gutom.
Gutom na ako, let's eat. Nakapag-goodbye gutom na po kami sa Barangay Busog. Pero marami po pong pamilyang nagugutom. Sana po makapag-goodbye gutom na rin sila. Sa tulong po ninyo, magiging totoo po ang pangarap na to.
Pwede rin kayong maging sponsor naming lahat para kinuha ng Globe tsaka Selecta.
Kaya bisita ka dito, tanim tayo, masaya yun. Tapos suganto natin sa iba kung gano'ng kasaya, the more the merrier. Tara! Kung masyado malaya, bisita na lang tayo sa website namin.
Sa university, gobyerno,
Taga-community, businessman, youth, pati ikaw. Madaling tumulong sa bayan aniyan. Pagsama-sama tayo magtutulungan, sama-sama rin